Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate vanilla ice cream using an easy method. First, combine 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a large bowl. Whisk until the sugar dissolves completely. This forms your rich vanilla base. Make sure your ice cream maker bowl has been frozen for at least 24 hours for optimal results. Now, pour your vanilla ice cream base into the pre-chilled bowl of your ice cream maker. Turn on the machine and let it churn for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're looking for a soft-serve consistency, not fully firm yet. While that's churning, you can start preparing the simple chocolate swirl. This 2-step process ensures both flavors are perfectly integrated. For the chocolate swirl, whisk together 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder with 1/4 cup of hot water until smooth. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a small pinch of salt. Continue mixing until the sugar is fully dissolved and you have a glossy, pourable chocolate sauce. This simple sauce will create beautiful ribbons of chocolate throughout your vanilla ice cream. Once your vanilla ice cream is at a soft-serve consistency, transfer about half of it to a freezer-safe container. Drizzle half of your chocolate swirl over it. Repeat with the remaining vanilla ice cream and chocolate. Use a knife to gently swirl the two together, creating a beautiful marbled effect. Cover and freeze for at least 4 hours until firm. Check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.